everyone, myself Rajpira Kaur and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. The number of corona infection is increasing rapidly in West Bardhaman district. In the last 48 hours, 2 infected people have died in the district and more than 400 infected people have been found. The number of active infected in the district has crossed 1,500 in the last 48 hours. 418 infected people were found in the district. The number of corona infection is increasing rapidly in West Bardhaman district. Motion start. Open a scholarship test for class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship. Their location is Durgapur. Due to lack of vaccine in West Bardhaman district, the work of giving vaccine in Asansol district hospital, Baranpur hospital, railway hospital is closed. Due to lack of the adequate vaccination is not being carried out at all the center in the district. 125 center have been set up in the district for vaccination, but the lack of vaccine is due to fact that people are being vaccinated against corona at only 44 centers. Due to the lack of vaccine in West Bardhaman district, the work of giving vaccine in Asansol district hospital, Baranpur hospital, railway hospital is closed. Recruiting health insurance advisor, bright career opportunity, full-time and part-time. Considering the growing case of corona in the country, CBSE board 10th exam has been cancelled and 12th exam has been postponed. The decision has been taken in a meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. 10th exam cancelled, 12th exam postponed. The demand for cancellation of CBSE board exam was increasing rapidly given the condition of corona in the country. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on behalf of ECL, in collaboration with SISTA, a work was led at the statue of Baba Saheb and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose on the 130th birth anniversary of Baba Saheb Ambedkar at the ECL headquarters premises on Wednesday. Also present on the occasion were Director Finance Gautam Chandra De, Director Technical Operation V. Bira Reddy, General Manager P&I P.K. Srivastava, SISTA National President Subodh Kumar, Dr. S.K. Chaudhary, SISTA SISTA ECL, President, SISTA General Secretary Deena Nath Harijan and others were present on this occasion.
मैं तथागत बुद्ध बाबा साहब डॉक्टर भीमराव अम्बेडकर उनके चरणों में नमन करते हुए इस कार्यालय का उद्घाटन माननीय हमारे नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट सुबोध कुमार साहब, ECL के प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर S.K. चौधरी साहब, समस्त एरिया के आए हुए अधिकारी एवं कर्मचारियों सभी को इस मौके पर आप लोग का हार्दिक अभिनंदन स्वागत करता हूं कि आज ये जो कार्यालय यहाँ उद्घाटन हुआ है, 1 साल पहले हमें मिल चुका था। चूंकि किसी कारणवश हम लोग नहीं कर सके, आज इस शुभ अवसर पर जो आज 14 अप्रैल 2021 जो हम लोग आज दिन तय किए, जिसमें हमारे नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट साहब आए रांची से और हम लोग उद्घाटन किए।
Let us hear
one
what
of the
B.R.
best
Reddy
cons-
says.
and that is written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ji. And that is one, and he contributed a lot in every field of this thing. He contributed to educational system, particularly he fought for the downtrodden, and all of us are enjoying freedom or equality because of their efforts. He was the forerunner and visionary leader, and because of that we are able to, and we celebrate these occasions, maybe Jayanti or their name will be there forever because of their deeds and their contribution to the society and their dedication and commitment. By doing this, what we are learning from this, why we should celebrate Jayanti. One thing is that we should pass on the great things done by the great leader to next generation and to get some inspiration.
Now let us hear what Director Finance Gautam Chandra they
birth
say.
anniversary of father of Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was a great activist and social reformer, and he contributed a lot, and he fought for rights of Dalits and restoration of rights of backward classes in Indian society. He followed the footsteps of Gandhiji and fought for water source and right to enter temples by untouchables in India. He won scholarship for higher studies and went to America, and after doctorate degree he went to London to study politics and economics. He was the chairman of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution, and he drafted the Indian Constitution in such a way so as to provide the Indian citizens the freedom of religions, untouchability, the right to women, everything, and is the inspiration to the young lawyers across the world. And he was the great leader in the history of India. From the core of our hearts, we should pay respect and tribute for his remarkable and magnificent contribution.
Transport Worker Union leader Raju Rarwalia, affiliated at INTTUC, stood with the family of a dead transport worker. In this regard, Raju Ahluwalia said that Sukhvinder Singh of Asansol bus stand was a year-old conductor. He died 5-6 days ago. He is survived by his wife and 8-year-old daughter. The candidate Vidhan Upadhyay and a public relations program at Manora Colliery in Barabani Block 3.
छाड़ के वोट मारिए 2 नंबर पे। रेशन कार्ड करेगा, ये भी हम वोट मांगने आए हैं, वोट दीजिए। काम आया है,
सब बनेगा, धीरे धीरे सब बनेगा। पहले वोट दीजिए, सब धीरे धीरे
हमारे
सब बनेगा।
Atrocities are being perpetrated against Tender in West Bengal. Exploitation is being done in the name of taxes and trade license by the municipal corporation. And Department of GST and Agriculture said while addressing the members, Sri Agrawal Kulti had come to different areas of Kulti in support of BJP candidate Dr. Ajay Poddar. On 14 April, Tapas Banerjee, the nominated candidate of Trinamool Congress in Raniganj Assembly constituency, at the meeting of home teacher at Lachipur Community Hall on the initiative of Trinamool Congress in Madanpur area of Andal block in Raniganj Assembly consequently. Flight service to Ahmedabad and Guwahati is going to start from Qazi Nazrul Islam Airport Andal at Durgapur according to West Aerotropics sources. Direct flight service to Ahmedabad and Guwahati will start from May 1. Significantly, at present, there is a direct flight service from Durgapur to Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mumbai. Connecting service is also being provided for many major cities. Running of Howrah Lalkuan Howrah weekly superfast special Asansol to clear the rush of passenger. Eastern Railway will run weekly superfast special train between Howrah and Lalkuan 02353/02354 02353 Howrah Lalkuan weekly special will leave Howrah on every Friday at 8:15 hours from 16 April to 25 June and will reach Lalkuan at 6:55 hours on the next day. The train will arrive Asansol at 10:43 hours and will depart 10:48 hours on the same day. 02354 Lalkuan Howrah weekly special will leave Lalkuan on every Saturday at 15:25 hours from 17 April 2021 to 26 June 2021 and will reach Howrah at 18:25 hours on the next day. The train will arrive Asansol at 15:15 hours and will depart at 15:20 hours the next day. The special train will have air conditioned and sleeper class accommodation. Ambedkar Jayanti was celebrated in Nigha. Speaker reminded his contribution towards society and in the Formation of Constitution dignitaries present were Rajkumar Das, Upendra Paswan, Rajendra Prasad, Birender Nonia, Dr. Sabir and many others.
चाहे वो घर हिंदू भाई का हो, चाहे मुस्लिम भाई का हो, चाहे सिख भाई का हो, चाहे ईसाई भाई का हो, सभी के घरों में आज के दिन त्योहार के रूप में मनाया जाना चाहिए। और त्योहार के रूप में इसलिए मनाया जाना चाहिए कि बाबा साहब जिस समय जन्म लिए 14 अप्रैल आज ही के दिन 1891 में बाबा साहब जन्म लिए। उस समय जो है बाबा साहब जिस समय जन्म लिए थे उस समय हमारे समाज में स्थिति जो थी बहुत दुर्गम थी, बहुत विषम थी। कहने का मतलब ये है कि आज हम सभी लोग
বলবো হয়তো সেগুলো আজকের প্রাসঙ্গিকে আজকের যে রাজনীতি চারিদিকে চলছে সেই রাজনীতির আঙ্গিকে এইগুলো অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ হয়ে উঠেছে। পণ্ডিত ভীমরাও আম্বেদকর আপনারা সকলেই জানেন ভারতরত্ন পেয়েছিলেন এবং উনি আমাদের স্বাধীন ভারতের প্রথম আইনমন্ত্রী ছিলেন। তো আজকে কেন ভীমরাওজি এত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ হয়ে উঠেছেন যে উনি হচ্ছেন সেই লোক যিনি সমাজের পিছিয়ে পড়া মানুষের জন্য দেখেছিলেন, কেঁদেছিলেন এবং সামনে দাঁড়িয়েছিলেন।
Durgapur Mamata Banerjee public meeting is scheduled to be held on the 24th in favor of Asansol South Assembly. Consequently, candidate Shani Ghosh and other constituency candidate. The public meeting will be held at Baranpur Boys High School ground on Tuesday. Trinamool Congress State Secretary V. Shivdasan Dasud and other leaders arrived to inspect the ground. In this regard, V. Shivdasan Dasu said that a visit was made to the ground regarding Mamata Banerjee meeting Mike and with the decorator on the spot. Let us hear SMS from News Movement. When one eats, one should not forget those who till the fields.